Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aries, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear some doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances. You can watch that reading. And Aries, if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies today. It's 10 of Swords in reverse, 6 of Swords in reverse, and Judgment. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone trying to do things the right way. You are faced with some circumstances. You are making some important decisions today. And it may be a harsh decision or something difficult, but you want to make the right decision today, right choice based on truth, and it is really difficult, so you are quite stressed over it. And but whatever it is, however difficult it is, you want to make the right choice, Aries. So you are thinking deeply, and whatever your circumstances are, you have that strength and determination to handle the situation in the right way, and you are giving up all those things that are not working for you. So you're changing your ways, maybe changing your ways in your career, or you're changing yourself in this relationship. So you want a harmonious, beautiful relationship with this person, and that is the reason you are trying to be different, trying to build a beautiful understanding with this person, and you want to change the way you behave or talk or whatever it is. And the change in your attitude or the way you are is simply making this person very happy. They are happy because they understand what you have gone through. They understand the level of commitment you have to them or to this relationship, the way you have changed for this person. So they see your commitment, they see your changed attitude, your positive attitude, and that may be the reason they are making a big decision today. So this person is making a very big decision for you all for this connection today, Aries. Maybe they are thinking of proposing to you, planning for marriage with you. So this relationship is moving towards commitment. Whatever you have done, whatever sacrifices, whatever troubles you took for this relationship, for to make a beautiful connection, it has worked. So this person understands your love and they are proposing to you today, Aries. They are coming to propose. They are planning wedding with you. So something good is happening today, and it is a very huge decision for them, and they are making a very honest decision. That is also what I see these cards. Let us see what is the card for your, it's Knight of Wands in reverse. So in your relationship today, you are going to be in this connection. There may be some minor arguments or something may not go well as expected, but whatever it is, you share a deep bond and understanding with each other, and there is nothing you cannot change, or there is nothing you cannot make it work. So it is all in our hands. There may be some minor troubles in your connection, but still it is a very good relationship you both have with each other. So that is the energy here with these cards. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. We have King of Wands in reverse. So in your work circumstances, you are quite confident about the way you are able to handle your situation, the way you are doing things. But you are not listening to people. There may be people giving you valuable advice. It may be your mentor or your colleagues. So if there is someone giving you ideas and suggestions, you need to listen to this person. So they may tell you the right things, what you need to do today. So if you listen to them, it is going to help you, Aries. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card reading that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this second card aside. So for those who chose this card, the Snow Queen, loyalty. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe you are missing someone, missing a friend, or it may be the person you love. You both have been very close and you are missing the friendship you had, the time you spent with each other. And today you feel that this person has vanished from your life forever and they do not care for you at all, but it is only a temporary situation. This person is also definitely thinking of you and they are also coming towards you. Maybe they have left you for some reason, maybe some obsession they had or some troubles in their life. So it was some inevitable circumstances that pulled them away from you, but you are still thinking of them just like you. Even this person is still thinking of you, and you need to let this magic work in your life. So you need to wait, maybe send out your positive intentions, send out your friendly feelings of love and trust towards this person. And even this person is waiting for the right opportunity to come and meet you, and they are definitely coming, and maybe not today but very soon. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So let us see what is the second card for those who chose this second card, to the sea. So with this card in your relationship, it just means that you need to trust the way circumstances are unfolding, maybe the natural pattern of events in your life. There are points in a relationship where you what to say, where you have to see where things are flowing, what is the direction. Not always you need to dictate what should happen or what should be the next step or what will be the future. So today you just need to let go of all that anxiety or stress or that interest to steer your relationship towards your goals or your expectations. Instead of all that, you just have to wait and see where your mutual goals and desires steer this ship of this relationship. When you do that, you are going to see where the mutual journey leads this connection, and you need to allow trust and faith to be your guide today in this connection. So that is the energy here. So whatever is bound to happen will unfold in a beautiful way if you just trust in your circumstances, the natural flow of events. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.